nucleus in muscle fiber is cartilage. The muscle के अंदर nucleus में sarcosomes are concentric circular and parabasic body. The answer is sarcocentric. For our instance, the case sarcosome multiple interconnected cisternae escape from. Typical cistern escape from की विद्या कालची बाडी थी. अपन नेटवर्क from की विद्या endoplasmic reticulum में चलता. Typical escape from की सिर्फ cistern realization देता है ऐसा. Right function ऐसा. ऐसा. Escape from की certain cistern combination with the muxava ectysome. MCQ number 3. What is uncommon between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body? Transportum द्वारा कभी, synthesis द्वारा कभी, physical formation द्वारा कभी, detoxification द्वारा endoplasmic reticulum body. No detoxification uncommon. Then MCQ जवाब है detoxification. The following symptoms that was detoxification of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxification. MCQ number 4. Golgi vesicle with measurable and product containing hydrolytic enzyme. Fixture muxana with urea vesicle diagram of the negative hydrolytic enzyme, hydrolase enzyme, especially equal is lysosome. Right concentration. Lysosome. MCQ number 4 is option A, lysosome. Next up, mitochondrial structure containing mitochondrial structural components having no relationship with its self-replication ability. अब meiosis के जब self-replication की रोल न प्ले करी, 7ds राइबोसोम दी, circular DNA दे, phospholipid ले गया, phospholipid layer का रोल ले गया, phospholipid bilayer, that self-replication के रोल न प्ले करी. MCQ number 6. Enzymes of fatty acid metabolism are present in dish. Correct option is mitochondrial matrix. Beta oxidation चलते ही mitochondrial matrix lower sulfuric sequence तक redox reaction बचा बनती है. हाँ, यहाँ पर क्रेस के बनती है कि mitochondrial क्रेस के जगह पे दे वाले complex 1, complex 2, complex 4 enzymes now we put it. The correct option is MCQ number 6 के mitochondrial matrix. MCQ number 7. Double stranded DNA directly suspended in the cytoplasm and the cytoplasm represents double stranded DNA directly suspended in the cytoplasm represent a nation. Correct option is prokaryotics. Number 7 किस तरह से prokaryotic cell pattern. समूह DNA direct suspended है तो समूह वाला elastom से मिला होगा और क्रोमोसोम में तैयार करेगा. MCQ number 8. 70s ribosome circular DNA suspended in the single fluid matrix of mitochondria closely resemble H. Correct option is cytoplasm of prokaryotes. Cytoplasm of prokaryote. Prokaryote 70s ribosome circular DNA. MCQ number 9. Abnormal behavior of smooth endoplasmic reticulum and gonads may result in steroids overproduction possible. This is actually steroids and fertility possible the because testosterone or estrogen or progesterone or steroids of affected embryogenesis from of egg production. Muscle discontinuation. Correct option is R. For MCQ number 9 के correct option is R. यानी कि मीट सम डिस्टर्ब के रेशियो Gamidogenesis. Or overproduction of steroids and initial fertility production. A cell surface area increased in an abnormal manner. This was happened due to malfunctioning of egg. Picture a surface area abnormally या increase हुआ या decrease हुआ cell membrane. तब आप कम से लगाने के कारण simple हमारा गायनी body, लेकिन से गायनी body से छोड़ ली. वैसे क्या छोड़ ली? वैसे क्या? That the surface area can increase with we know Golgi body या Golgi complex के साथ factors. Next MCQ ने 11 smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in detoxification and lipid synthesis due to its stage. Son of the enzymes. The detoxification की रोल चार वजन प्ले करेगी. Enzymes nature. The locus which is some enzyme लगा मसला का सुनिगोमिशन. Cytochrome P 450 enzyme का detoxification से रोकने. Cytochrome P450. MCQ number 12. A messenger RNA having polyribosome. Polyribosome वर्ग और पोलिसोम वर्ग में polyribosome और वयमनो पोलिसोम वर्ग में. Next, face of the dictosome which is towards the cell membrane. The cell membrane पर तरफ trans से और nucleus को तरफ बांधे. Says the correct option is transphase. Transphase. The dictosome allocates to the membrane पर तरफ देना पर transphase. MCQ number next. What is the function of Golgi body? Storage के भी, synthesis of lysosome के भी, synthesis of peroxisome. For the new concept मतलब समझ the new concept का मुताबिक peroxisome self-replicating. Well, synthetic evolution for the federal biology का मुताबिक peroxisome हम the channel function the Golgi body. The correct option is correct option is storage of P or synthesis of peroxisome lysosome. Number 15. All are related to smooth endoplasmic reticulum except detoxification of kभी, transport of kभी, lipid synthesis of kभी for translation करें. Translation ने क्या करते? Rough endoplasmic. Translation से दवाई. Protein synthesis का protein synthesis ने क्या करते? RBR करते. Next MCQ. What is irrelevant for RBR? Sample for the lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis so कभी lipid synthesis irrelevant ने क्या करते? RBR the rough endoplasmic reticulum lipid ने तैयार करेगा irrelevant. Next, all are the rules of Golgi body except the Golgi body come from rule the outcome you another no modification of the packaging of the polysaccharide and mechanical strength या mechanical support the rules are mechanical strength या mechanical support का अच्छा करते हैं. बराबर से the kids starts the way they get the plasmic reticulum Golgi body बनेगा. Next MCQ in mitochondria claim self-replicate yes, synthesize its own protein yes, synthesize ribosome yes. No, correct option is R. दोनों क्यों बनेगी? Correct option is mitochondria self-replication हम कभी पल प्रोटीन हम तैयार है, पल राइबोसोम हम तैयार है. No, correct option is R. Uncoiled or uncondensed chromosome तमाम सुगर chromatin. समझ तो भाई? Chromatin. Uncondensed or uncoiled nucleoprotein chromatin vai चकला condensed form तलाश तेरा वाला chromosome vai. Find the odd one among these. Odd one means अगर कासु select के चकल दे दे सर तालुक नसल. No large vacuole plastid or cellular का है वाला plant कैसा सर को plasmic reticulum को plant के रिश्ता. अब तो नसल देना ना हो. No, number 27. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum कहने की और में मतलब दादा का देश तालुक न सर. Next MCQ है MCQ number 21. 21 number MCQ. MCQ है which of the following structure is present in plant but not in animal? Silval. आसान है. Silval plant के स्तर है और animal के स्तर है. 22 number MCQ. Which cell organelle has its own ribosome, its own DNA, and supporting the endosymbiotic theory? तो सिंपल खबर है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बड़े के फल DNA स्तर बड़े के फल राइबोसोम स्तर endosymbiotic theory सदा without the survival के prokaryote तो क्या the cell and around the mitochondria will take it no the endosymbiotic theory. Next MCQ है 23. What is the primary function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum? This is it. Sub function is it. Protein synthesis. Primary function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis. Next MCQ 24. Which cell organelle is involved in beta oxidation of fatty acid? Beta oxidation chapter की. हाँ, mitochondria की बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन चल तक की माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की पर बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन किससे की जी देंगे मुक्सरा फैटी एसिड्स ऐसा कर कोई की एसिटाइल को एंजाइम के नेटेबिलिटी बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन तो बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन चल तक की माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया MCQ number 25. Crest increase the surface area and crest chapter. Mitochondria की crest from mitochondria की surface area. Next MCQ है MCQ number 26. Which organelle is responsible for assembling ribosomal cellular chapter तैयारी? ABC है nucleolus की तैयारी. Nucleolus nucleus की तैयारी. 27 MCQ. Which of the following organelle detoxified drugs in liver? Already proven on this. Chapter is small endoplasmic reticulum. Without say they should check the detoxification please. Already enzyme from the cell. MCQ number 28. Phosphatidyl complex phospholipid. The by nature cell, the answer is tetra. By nature से tetra ester पदेगे cellulose पैरा ester बार triglyceride मिले थे tri ester देवला tetra ester. MCQ number 29. Which organelle is involved in packaging and transport of material? सूप के देशी का packaging तो का transport लोग Golgi body the vagina. Data maximum police. Perfect police of the cell member. We use it package and transport secretion among control. Next MCQ. MCQ number 30. Which of the following is the control center of the cell? These किस तरह से? Nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. Next MCQ है MCQ number 31. Which organelle in animal contains its own DNA? Mitochondria. Option is mitochondria. Which organelle in animal contains its own DNA? Animal के सदर mitochondria the plant ecology. Which of the following is not found in prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell किससे निष्ठा? सारे प्लास्टिक सेल में बरेनम का निष्ठा राइबोसोम का निष्ठा साइटोप्लाज्म का निष्ठा सब की निष्ठा न्यूक्लियस प्रोकैरियोटिक निष्ठा सेल के न्यूक्लियस का निष्ठा और ट्रू न्यूक्लियस का निष्ठा. Which of the following statement is correct for prokaryotic cell? कमी statement ठीक है. They lack membrane bounded organelle. गलत है. DNA circular. The nucleus is present. That is option. 33 के सरस nucleus is present. So eukaryote cell के बखाम अपना nucleus को. Next MCQ 34. Most abundant constituent of protoplasm. प्रोटोप्लाज्म की टोल अगर 70% की डेवलपमेंट all option elaborate globular protein तमाम ऑप्शन ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन का हवाले से रिफिल होता है थ्री डायमेंशनल यस स्फेरिकल यस डस्ट स्ट्रक्चर यस तो फिलामेंटस वगैरह सके जो फिलामेंटस को कम प्रोटीन का बल द फाइब्रस प्रोटीन का बल तो दैट ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन का पार्टिकुलर ऑप्शन नंबर MCQ number 36 transport of nutrient in plant is assisted by the property of water kama property da agar transport ke role leke cohesion of the tension of the or transpiration cooler the correct option is 36 37 they choose the board one among these board one particular unit so glucose molecules they glucose molecules they the class fructose program glucose that the people are saying fructose packaged fructose or under this number then extensively branched polysaccharide are glycogen they extensively branched and a highly branched structure select the polysaccharide shared by fungi and insect agar kami yung polysaccharide which is fungi chemistry insects के फंक्शनल आंसर इस स्लाइड for fungi के सलवार छोटे और आपको 40 of insect के MCQ number 40 functioning of protein is highly dissociated mainly dependent upon the normal shape of protein but independent in number of amino acid sequence of amino acid and the correct option is R दोनों बातें डिफरेंट 41 number they all are fibrous protein except collagenum they myosinum they keratinum they तो कम ही होता है myoglobin का globular protein myoglobin से globular protein next choose the lipid they give shiny look पर कहीं water loss का कहीं degradation न potable कहीं can reduce effect of weather the harsh weather न potable रासायनिक खबर है क्यूटिकल देखा ना क्यूटिकल the cell छोड़ दे या तो wax न छोड़ दे तो correct option is wax MCQ number 43 given page represent group of lipids with major role find the wrong one but it was okay phospholipid membrane छोड़े जब ठीक देखा phospholipid membrane छोड़े भी wax is क्यूटिकल छोड़े phospholipid steroid signaling के terpenes से लिखरी energy reservoir ना energy reservoir ना वेरे का नंबर पक्के गलत है यानी डी ऑप्शन पक्के गलत है terpenes are energy reservoir RNA does not mutate और RNA किससे नुकसान देती ऑक्सी राइबोस पक्के निश्चित है बाकी पक्के निश्चित है Pagkaitin kayo may mind of fructil dapat kang carbon bundle. Mas structure में नर्तस्वाबित करेगा carbon number 2 bundle. Pagkaitin unit का मुख्य सबक pagkaitin unit ऐसा acetyl glucose amide. पहले के amide group से करना चाहिए. उधर glucose का carbon number 2 bundle. Correct answer is C. Choose the correct pair considered in role of water. Come here, the correct role of water vectoring explanatory. Thermoregulation with a high specific heat. C option. Thermoregulation. The makeup base bande की भी high specific heat bande यानी water the ability to reach the heat energy absorption. The spitting saman around the control is a heat energy saman the body na release की the thermoregulation. MCQ number 47. A glycosidic linkage is also regarded as this. Glycosidic linkage का मुख्य सलून covalent bond of hydrogen bond of the valence. Number 48, a special polymer of alpha glucose was added with 1,6 linkage. It will now be regarded as this. Actually, the alpha 1,4 or alpha 1,6 bond around the branch. When you use alpha 1,4 change or alpha 1,6 पे branch around, तब कम use structure में. तो glycogen की दिशा में starch की दिशा में both A and B. 48 है सर both A and B यानी D ऑप्शन पर टिक। 49 a phosphate on third carbon a phospholipid the phospholipid ने जैसा phosphate ले कम fatty acid gate कम ना बस से molecule D 49 triglyceride को ट्राइग्लिसराइड के ऊपर तुम प्लस ग्लाइसिरोल 50 नंबर वाटर इज मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम 55 ने मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड माने तो मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम 51 द वाटर डेंसिटी या हेवी टेम्परेचर माने 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड माने जो तो हेवी है DHA dihydroxyacetone the by nature solid already is acetone which will that ketone the by nature solid ketose 53 which one is hydrolyzable sugar glucose में दे सबसे unit दे glucose में दे sucrose is the correct option sucrose master solid hydrolyzable sugar the most important evolution 54 नंबर में a hydrolyzable polysaccharide a hydrolyzable polysaccharide all nothing sucrose disaccharide या phenose trisaccharide हमारा नाम है polysaccharide correct option is cellulose to be correct next अगर you carbohydrate की one formula ना follow you carbon for hydrogen you oxygen no the only one is deoxyribose नहीं न फॉलो कइला मतलब क्लास के में the formula sana C5 state और the common phosphorus 56 नंबर MCQ के अमीनो एसिड प्रेजेंट इन बैक्टीरिया बैक्टीरिया के कम अमीनो एसिड बचे के डी अमीनो एसिड को मुख्य के ए अमीनो नेक्स्ट which of the following polysaccharide is completely straight chain completely straight chain cellulose के चपटे के सदी बीटा 1 glyco SEDEC और बते के SEDEC बीटा 58 नंबर MCQ in evolutionary cell organelles in animal cells are made तो क्लास उसको जितना देखा है करो वाला अलग करो मुझे बता फुटबॉल लोग का नाम है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बैटिंग रिपीटेशन है ना next MCQ the dipeptide a molecule having dash amino acid two amino acid dipeptide the methylbiological amino acid 60 number MCQ which of the following is a nucleoprotein molecule ribosome nucleoprotein वाले सके चटा द RNA और the protein ना a lipid which has no fatty acid a complete fatty acids finished on cholesterol and the phenyls on the both A and B 61 के राशि both the god of fatty acid एक albumin by nature सदे glyco protein दे by nature तो एक option next 63 16 carbon fatty acid कभी होता है palmitic acid था so the book name CQ the palmitic acid 16 carbon fatty acid next which of the following is not a part of the wax के सनदी fatty acid का किस्ता ester bond का किस्ता hydrogen कोहलम का किस्ता ग्लाइसरॉल पदे के निष्ठा पावे के मानो हाइड्रोजन कोहल दी और ग्लाइसरॉल ट्राइहाइड्रोजन कोहल MCQ number 65 the type of RNA involved in protein synthesis protein synthesis the RNA da ribosomal and the transferrin the messenger and the all of it NAD by nature cell 66 NAD muxara by nature coenzyme by nature MCQ number 67 all are involved in ascent of shape satavai चक्कर पर xylem के ऊपर तरफ the root ने shoot लो ऊपर में करते हैं the ascent of shape के सूत मुक्सरा involved to come ना जो correction of the tension of the adhesion of the ionization के ना देखा ionization the ascent of shape के रूप में देखा CQ number 68 The suffix O is among the Chasarali. The monosaccharide sarali. O is key, then the monosaccharide sarali. A is key, the enzyme sarali. MCQ number 69. Proteins cannot be regarded as they. Proteins among soluble. Proteins among heterogeneous compound tissue because these are homogeneous. Study by nature, not homogeneous, no, heterogeneous tissue. MCQ number 70. Function of protein which will be affected due to the disturbances of amino acids. नंबर का चेंज हो गया, अब चेंज की टाइप का चेंज हो गया, अब चेंज की सीक्वेंस. The correct option is R. The दोनों सारे चेंज की. Replacement of glutamate by valine. कब ये मसला जोड़े? Second step hemoglobin रावली, second step acid रावली. So both A and C वाला. 72. Find the odd one among these. Hemoglobin, homoglobin, antibody that never spherical protein, keratin with the base. Keratin fibrous protein that are making part. MCQ vitamin D by nature. Vitamin D by nature is steroids. The cholesterol la chodi kilo steroid. MCQ number 74. Select the wrong pair among these. Steroid, testosterone की ठीक पे थे, membrane phospholipid डाल ठीक थे, energy reservoir triglyceride डाल ठीक थे, pigment of waxes by pigment मुक्त सरनदी, no, द मुक्त सरसरे गलत option है, यानी option number C, waxes the pigments chlorophyll दे, keratinoids दे, hemoglobin दे, hemocyanin दे, hemoerythrin दे. MCQ number 75. What is common between DNA and RNA? Urine, shabash. Urine is common. Urine के सुख राशि. दवानी राशि. Now, adenine राशि. Adenine को दवानी है common. Pyrimidine के फर्क है. MCQ number 76. All are minor bioelements. Sodium हमदे, chloride हमदे, potassium हमदे. Nitrogen मुक्त सरसदे. The major bioelement. Which property of water helps regulate body temperature? High specific heat या high heat capacity? No. Option number C. The high heat capacity. Which property of water is responsible for capillary reaction? The water line from the molecule revolving with the capillary reaction by the chada vaginal cohesion and adhesion. So correct answer is B. Cohesion and adhesion. Expansion of water upon is an anomalous behavior. The anomalous behavior the chada vaginal formation of a rigid hydrogen bond. Let us correct answer to 79 is C. C is the correct option. Molecular clock मुख्य में RNA तो molecular clock मुख्य ribosomal RNA तो ये evolutionary history वाले study की. Molecular clock of 81 number is all are component of endomembrane system. Endomembrane system अगर cellular organelle दवाई चावला simple cellular organelle वो बटी group से mitochondria और chloroplast the endomembrane system के साथ नदा Chanela that the correct option is mitochondria. Mitochondria the cellular organelle the potato membrane system के नाराज़ second the evolutionary cellular organelle the बाहर नाराज़ 16 number potato membrane system का है जो बना ना cellular cellular organelle